Thank you, Peter, for the introduction. I'm Giulia from the University of Trento, and I work under Working Package 5, GLAM. Our GLAM survey focuses on the impact of intellectual property rights, particularly copyright law and open policies in relation to digitization in the cultural heritage sector. It is aimed at determining whether and to what extent the law functions as a barrier to access, use and reuse of digital resources. We also want to inform on the opportunities of pro-open policies to be considered as a countermeasure to such barriers. The survey analysis will allow us to recommend new and specific policies as well as best practices for digitization in the GLAM sector. And our aim is to do it in the light of a rebalanced copyright law, which is indeed the ultimate goal of the whole project. Next. It's important from our perspective to draw your attention to our data policy. Data are treated anonymously and they will be used only for the scientific purposes of this analysis. The results of the survey will also be made available publicly. The survey is available until December 10, 2020 at a link that is shared here with you. So please use it and share it among your networks. To know more about this survey, you can always contact us at the email address here displayed. The survey will take only 20 minutes to complete, but there are also some filtering questions, which means that it might even take less. Next. You should have seen the polling at the beginning of this session, and we hope that you participate to such polling. We chose three key questions from our questionnaire, and if you could participate, if you haven't done, please do it so we can discuss the result at the end of the session. The very first question we ask you is whether you believe that there are any obstacles to the fullest development of digitization, thinking about your own experience. Maybe you are already digitizing or you wish to digitize, but you believe there are some barriers, and we will ask you in the survey which ones you feel are impeding the fullest development of digitization. We then ask you how familiar your organization is with copyright law and more in general with intellectual property rights. We believe that awareness is very important and it's related to the development or underdevelopment of digitization. The third question concerns how familiar your organization is with another very important aspect of our analysis, which are the principle of open access and open data. So please participate to the polling and let's discuss together these few key points. Thank you.